Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the NDA exam. We will cover the entire application journey, from understanding who is eligible to navigating the online form. This guide aims to simplify the process, ensuring you have all the necessary information to submit a strong application. We will walk through each crucial step, providing clear instructions and helpful advice. By the end, you will feel confident about your application. To be eligible for the National Defense Academy, candidates must be unmarried, both male and female. Your age should fall strictly between 16 and a half and 19 and a half years. For educational qualifications, you need to have passed or be appearing in your Class 12 examination. Specifically, for the Navy and Air Force wings, physics and mathematics are compulsory subjects in your Class 12 curriculum. Ensure you meet these fundamental requirements before proceeding. The application process begins with a one-time registration on the official website. After registering, you will fill out the detailed application form, providing personal, educational, and contact information. Next, upload scanned copies of your passport-sized photograph and signature, ensuring they are between 20 and 300 KB in size. You will also need a photo identity proof in PDF format. Finally, pay the application fee of 100 rupees. Though female, scheduled caste, and scheduled tribe candidates are exempt. Before hitting submit, meticulously review every detail in your application to avoid errors. Have all your documents, like your photograph and signature, scanned and ready in the correct format and size beforehand. Always save your registration ID and password securely, as you will need them for future logins and updates. Remember, the application is just the first step. Start preparing for the written exam and physical tests well in advance to maximize your chances of success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.